Hi, I'm Sean with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to take a look at a brief overview and diagnostic mode on this LG compact washer and dryer combo. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. This LG compact washer and dryer combo is very similar to almost any LG front-load washer as far as the washer side goes. What's unique about this is it is also a built-in dryer. With that being said, you're going to have dryer capabilities inside of here. The bellow is going to be a little bit different. Normal things to look for on here.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive in-field experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video, and let us help you do it right the first time.